Top of the morning. It is 5:34 in New York, and we are live coming to you with a quick update of the buy signal we gave out yesterday for the Oil Money Gang update video. If you haven't seen that, be sure to check it out, and all the other updates we'll be putting out. And if you're getting value from these videos, please hit the like and share button, the subscribe one as well. It would really go a long way. And thank you so much, everyone, for 120 subscribers. We've been growing quite nicely. Quite nicely. So, just an update. We're currently up 2,350 ticks on the purchase. Um, Initially, as you recall from the first update you put out, we wanted to get triggered in short here for the Model 22 to ride it down to the downside, to where actually that's where we got triggered in. So we took the buy there instead. Now we're looking to take out half the position there and target the highs ultimately. We might see a small measure of retracement. I'm anticipating it to go up until this fair value gap to fill that up on the hourly time frame, but I'm not expecting price to break this order block, which also rebalance this fair value gap via this one, forming another order block. So I'm expecting this to be a pretty solid level of resistance or support rather, and then perhaps only after we hit there, maybe then we'll see that retracement. But for the time being, I'm fully confident that we'll get up to there. Either way, the position is currently risk free, so we're letting price do its thing and we're just submitting to it, and we'll see what happens. I just wanted to come through with the quick update, let you guys know what's currently going on. I didn't take any trades today during London session specifically. I was focused on my other business affairs, but yeah, I'm currently waiting on New York, and then we'll see what happens from there. Taking a look at Forex Factory, we can expect some level of volatility at 8:30 EST time. That's this is SA Standard Time, so it's my local time, but that converts to 8:30 Eastern Standard Time. We can expect some volatility then, since we have some orange folded news events. Tomorrow, we can expect volatility. Same thing from half 8 EST, Eastern Standard Time. We have final GDP quote unquote figures, unemployment claims as well. And Fed Chair Powell is going to speak later on during the day. This should be about 4 p.m. US Eastern Standard Time, if I'm not mistaken. And then we can anticipate more volatility as well on Friday. So plan out your trades accordingly. I will be looking towards just before the opening range at the equities open today, just to see how price tips its hand to us, giving us an indication of what's more than likely to occur. We anticipate movements. We don't chase them or predict them or force them onto the market, but we react in anticipation to something when the market does something that we have been anticipating. But with that being said, thank you so much again for the 120 subscribers. We're going strong, we're going strong, we're going strong. I'm going to be posting content every single day. Multiple uploads, be it the shorts, be it the long form videos, everything. We're coming for everything this year. And it'll be really cool to see where we at with it by December. So yeah, see y'all at just before equities open today during New York session. And in the words of my mentor, be safe.